There's breaking news tonight on the coronavirus. The federal government has declared a public health emergency and is taking an historic step to try and contain the virus. U.S. citizens who flew from China are being quarantined. That is the first time that's happened in decades. Carter Evans is outside the military base in California, where nearly 200 people evacuated from China this week are being housed.
The Americans being housed at March Air Reserve Base during the first federal quarantine in 50 years will spend 14 days here. Ian Thompson is among them.
How is everyone doing there?
Yeah, everyone's healthy. It seems to be. I mean, all the kids are playing, they're all laughing and joking, and they're doing the best they can for us. I mean, so we're being looked after very well.
The steps outlined in the Trump administration's public health emergency will include a temporary ban on foreign nationals who've traveled to China.
The risk of infection for Americans remains low. We are working to keep the risk low.
Officials in Santa Clara County announced they confirmed a 7th U.S. case of coronavirus, a man who recently traveled to Wuhan.
He has been self-isolating at home. He was seen in a local clinic and hospital, but was never sick enough to be hospitalized.
According to the CDC, even if a patient's initial tests are negative, they could still develop the illness because the test only works when the patients have symptoms. A new study also showed the virus can be transmitted by patients with no symptoms. A woman who traveled from Shanghai to Germany infected 7 other people while she was asymptomatic.
Maybe you can transmit it even earlier, maybe a couple of days before you become symptomatic, and it becomes a lot more difficult to control the spread of a virus.
The people in quarantine here could potentially have more company. Starting on Sunday, any U.S. citizen returning home from the Hubei province is now also subject to a 14-day quarantine. Another American evacuation flight is scheduled to depart Wuhan on Monday. Nora?
All right, Carter, thank you.